So, folks, we're here at the Suprlativ booth with the one and only Enrique Pena.
How are you, TC?
Doing great, man. Doing great.
Great to see you.
Absolutely. And I tell you what, I was very excited, but at the same time upset because we got our superlative shipment in the day before we left, and I was like, man, I got to go through these. I've got to check these out because we got a nice big shipment of the Tyrant, the Comanche, and the Piranha. Super cool blades, and you've got a really special one right here. Tell us
Yes.
about this thing.
So this is a collaboration from all the members of Suprlativ, which is Jared Ozer, Javi Garcia, and myself. We all worked on this one. We each did do something on this particular knife, and we're happy to announce that it won Best Collaboration. And this knife is an actual free giveaway. So whoever wins it just takes a free knife out of here, 100% custom.
That is beautiful.
So it's just a way to give back to the community.
Absolutely. So, what is this handle material right here?
That's antique Westinghouse Micarta. So you can't get that no more.
No.
And then it's what we call a phantom lock. So that's the lock back, the lock bar for the blade. Go ahead and open and close it. Let it drop shot.
Oh,
Then
that sound. And then the snap opening it.
there you go.
That is so satisfying.
So
And this is one of the things that you do so well is modernizing classic designs.
yes,
This is just absolutely
that's
beautiful.
kind of been my jam, and and I've kind of kept with it. And like I say, we all worked on it. So it's a very three-way collaboration.
And you were one of the first people to kind of do that, to take a classic design and kind of do modern things to it.
Yeah.
What was the inspiration behind that?
For me, what it was that I was doing traditional knives and I felt like the market was going kind of down. I wanted to do some tactical knives because I felt that was like the hottest market, which obviously it is. But modernizing some traditional mechanisms, starting to put like screws, utilize some of that stuff, kind of was like a gateway to the full tactical knife for me. And that's kind of how it went. It worked out. I loved it, kind of stayed with it. So I do a lot of that stuff to this day.
That is fantastic. And of course, you guys have come out with so many great knives: the Infidel, the Matador, the Tyrant. I love the Comanche, and that's another great example
Yeah,
of
that's
modernizing a slip joint right
Yeah.
there. And
look at that action.
listen to this. That is just so satisfying. Beautiful, beautiful machine work, titanium. I believe this is CPM M4, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Nice hollow grind on the blade there, so it's going to be a great slicer. We've had your Hella in our store already, and those things sold out insanely fast. We've of course had your knives, the X series, the
Yes, sir.
Pinions, and some exclusives as well that have done insanely well. I also want to talk about the Piranha here because this is a very interesting design as well. So tell us a little bit about this one here.
So this is a mag lock. Jared makes some in a custom version. And this is our production version.
That is beautiful. And such a unique mechanism there too. But it's so simple.
It is, and once it's like open, it's like very safe. There's nothing to keep it from closing. And when closed, well, it's just in the pocket. Kind of like a Valley Song knife,
Right. Yeah.
in a sense.
That is really cool. So, and another question too that I know a lot of people want to know. So, yourself, Jared, and Javi all had wonderful careers, like on your own,
Right.
and were highly respected. What got you three together, and what caused you to say, I think we should all work together and start making these?
We were all friends. We all knew each other. We wanted to do something together. Obviously, for one guy to do it, plus make custom knives, it's kind of hard. So we united forces, and we're doing this, and it's been a really great ride, and we enjoy working with each other for sure. And so we bounce stuff off of each other. We help each other. It's been fun, It's kind of like having your own little group of peers, that support you.
And it's really a perfect marriage of finding the right people that bring different things from the knife community all together into one
Yes,
bundle.
I think we each bring something to it, and like Javi's really good at some stuff, Jared's good at some stuff, and I just do whatever. Nah,
And there's modesty there too.
we all have our strengths and weaknesses
Yeah.
for sure, but we combine all that together, and it works out really good.
That's fantastic, folks. We've got those superlative knives up on our website. You can find them at smkw.com. Enrique, thank you so much, man. You guys
Thank you,
are awesome.
TC.
Love you. Love everything that you guys are doing.